Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey, how are you guys doing? Hi. So I'm back today, guys, with another reaction video, and this is a recommendation by one or two, well, few people. I believe his name is Nittoli, and this is his music video to his song Ballin. Somebody was talking outside of my YouTube channel. I was like, oh, do you know who Nittoli is? I'm like, no. Is he one of those new rappers? You know, everyone's a rapper now. No shade to anyone out there, but everyone's doing the same thing now. It's like, wow, we are rappers now. But this is Ballin, so hopefully I will like it. But as I said before, when it comes to rapping, I don't know that.
Bitch, you know I'm ballin', yeah. All this money, ballin', yeah, I hear you, call it. But bitch, you know I'm ballin', yeah. Don't be like all the last hoes, staring at where the cash go. I ain't worried about the chemistry, because I'm quick with the math though. Spend a couple racks, y'all. Still no shorty gonna act up. Staring back at my passcode, but we ain't tripping on the facts though. Running up, yeah. I got the back, but I know that it's never enough, yeah. I just want money, I don't really care about love, yeah. I just want money, I don't really care about love. Bitch, you know I'm ballin'. All this money, ballin', yeah, I hear you. Call it. Bitch, you know I'm ballin', yeah.
Well, compared to what's his name, Saint Mises and Upchurch with feature on the song Monster with Merciless, compared to those rappers that I react to so far, what is this? To me personally, I think the lyric or the bars to his rap is very lackluster. The beat, I like the beat, but I think his lyric is very lackluster. And I could see, what is this, Space Jam something, I don't know, I didn't watch the movie, but it looks like I've known Michael Jordan was in that movie. I Believe You Can Fly, is that what R. Kelly did, that movie? Yeah, but I didn't watch Space Jam, but I'm seeing like Bugs Bunny. I don't get it, but said I'm not a rapper, so.
Don't be like all my girlfriends, I can never be certain. Diamonds on me, they lurking. Spend it quick like the world ending. I'm just trying to put the work in.
Like the style of rapping is similar to what you practically hear on the radio, so, you know. Come on, auto-tune effects.
Bitch, you know I'm ballin', all this money, ballin', yeah, I hear you, call it, but bitch, you know I'm ballin'.
I'm rather confused. I don't understand what the heck was going on in this music video or the lyrics, like I said before, versus one who I reacted to. I was like, I know what they're telling me, or basically I understand what they were rapping about. This is like, okay, you sound like all them, what do they call them? SoundCloud rappers. You sound like all those other SoundCloud rappers, because that's I'm confused. I don't know who he is because everyone's a rapper now and they all have this. I won't, you know what? I won't say they sound the same, but they have the same style of rapping, the same effects, the same ad libs, the same beat. I'm gonna say same beat. Like you dun 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 dun. It's like I don't understand this song. Maybe I need to react to more of him. Maybe this is just one song I don't particularly care for, but this ain't it. Nick, this ain't it. No, sir. Redo. There's nothing wrong with this music video. Don't get me wrong. There's nothing wrong with this music video, but oh my God, really? A basic YouTuber can do this music video. This was terrible. I'm sorry. No. No, and I guess this is what the person was talking about, that Space Jam. Well, like I said, I didn't grow up watching Disney and Nickelodeon, so I didn't get the reference. But you know, watching this 2 minute and 43 seconds, and he only rapped for like 43 seconds. It's just him in the same spot, the same shots over and over, and I still don't understand what the hell he was rapping about. No, Nick, like I told. No, Nick, I'm sorry. I won't say this is a bad music or this is terrible, something I have learned. I will say this, I am not your target audience. I'm gonna say that. For everybody else who want me to react to anything, feel free to leave it a link below in the comment section to get to it as soon as possible. And to all the fans out there for Nick, Nittoli, I'm not a hater. It's just that this song that was recommended was not it for me. Was not it. This don't make me want to even go look who he is, but I am gonna look who he is because I want to see who he is, since I'm doing a damn reaction channel, might as well go look. But this song is not it. To me, this song was stupid. You're balling, great. I'm happy that you're balling. I like that. Get your money. I'm all about getting your coins, get your money. Don't be in debt like the rest of us. I'm all for it. But that's the only thing I remember is balling. Oh, I'm balling. Okay. It's 2 minutes. You have 2 minutes left. Balling. That's it. I think the lyric was very lackluster. This ain't it. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Because this ain't it.